For today's science experiment, we're going to be doing a volcanic explosion. The things you'll need will be some white vinegar, some baking soda, a large glass cup, a spoon, some dish soap, and some food coloring, preferably yellow and red to look like lava. The first thing we're going to do is add 2 large spoonfuls of baking soda to our glass. So this is 1 and 2. The next thing we're going to add is 1 spoonful of dish soap. You can use any brand of dish soap. This is just what I have. That looks good. Now we're going to use some food coloring to make it look pretty. I have yellow and red here, and yellow and red together will make orange. So I'm going to add about 3 drops of yellow. Perfect. And then we are also going to add 1 drop of red. Now we're going to give everything a good mix. Now I've poured about a 1/4 cup of white vinegar into this glass, and now we're going to add it to our mixture. Okay, so now it is time for explosion. I'm going to add my 1/4 cup of vinegar to our mixture. Also, remember to wash your hands before doing this experiment and after, and to use a tray underneath your cup so that your counter doesn't get dirty.